Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use keyframes in Luma AI to control start and end of video. Luma AI has introduced a powerful keyframe feature in its image-to-video model. If you're not familiar with Luma AI, it's one of the most realistic and advanced AI video generators available today. The new keyframe feature allows you to create smooth transitions between images to produce impressive cinematic videos. To use the keyframe feature, go to the Luma AI website and open the Image to Video tool. Upload your first image as the starting frame, and then upload a second image as the ending frame. After that, write a short prompt describing the scene and generate the video. In a few moments, Luma AI will create a clip that smoothly blends both images. You can download the video, extend it with additional clips, or add more images to create longer sequences. The results often look very natural, with smooth transitions and cinematic motion. The free plan allows you to generate up to 30 videos per month, making it easy to experiment with your own ideas and images. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.